see fun and play Factilicious Crafts! Hey guys, welcome back to Factilicious Crafts. In today's video, we have a lot of fun events planned. Mickey and his pals are taking a trip to Kumandra. And when they're there, they're going to see all their friends, including Raya, Sisu, and everyone else. Who's excited? So let's get started! We're taking a trip around the world. We're taking a trip around the world. Finally, we're out of the fun house. Wait, where are we, Mickey? Where did he take us? And why are we in a jungle? And why is it so foggy outside? Come on, guys. You already forgot? We're in Kumandra, where Raya lives and all her friends like Sisu, Boone, and Namari. Oh, that's where we are? No wonder it's so jungly. Oh, guys, where is Raya? We need her to help us find our way around Kumandra. Oh, is that you, Minnie? Raya! I'm here and I'm ready to give you guys a tour around Kumandra so you can meet all my friends. Hey guys, we just got this absolutely super cool Raya and the Last Dragon Walmart exclusive toy set. It's around $26 and I can't wait to open it. It comes with 9 characters and a little dragon gem that lights up. Let's open it up! Yay! So first, let's take off this plastic. Whoa! We got all our figurines. Oh my god! All right, let's take them on out of the cardboard box. Right here, we've got a little background, which is really pretty. And now the toys are kind of strapped to the plastic, as you can see. So let's put those on up. Let's take our characters out of the box. I'm so excited. So first is this beautiful dragon whose name is Sisu. She is so pretty. She's got adorable blue color and she's a very, very powerful dragon. Next, let's open up our main character, Raya. Here she is. Let's just take this plastic out of her, between her legs. It's wrapped under on the bottom. So just take that out. Whoa, this is hard work. And here she is. She's got her sword, her cape, her hat, and ready for action.
Next, I'm going to be taking a date. These are the Ongis and the Con Baby. Isn't the Con Baby so cute?
On and out! We have got Namari and Boone. Here they are, and they even disattach from the bottom. So we've got 2 separate figurines. First up, we've got Boone. He is so cute, and he has his own shrimp restaurant. And then we have got Namari. And our last but not least character is Tong. He's from Spine and he's very, very, very strong. You can see he has this big axe and he even has an eye patch.
And the last thing is this awesome gem. If you've watched the movie, you should know what it is. It's the big dragon gem that Sisu controls. And also, it glows in the dark. Oh, that is so cool!
Guess what? These figurines all attach together to circle around our good old dragon gem that lights up. So let's start connecting them. Oh my goodness! Woo! All our characters in one piece. Wait, but we forgot poor old Sisu who was left behind. Don't worry, Sisu. We've got you. You're always going to be our friend.
We connected it! And we've got all the cute figurines and the glow lights.